Everybody should grow chive, a species of perennial onions which are among the first plants which you can have in your garden in spring. The green stalks and immature flowers can be eaten. This is the same bush of chives, but only 10 days later, where you see a lot of flowers already open. These flowers are not edible and therefore you should remove them. If you want to prolong the period for harvesting your chive for salads or other meals, what you need to do is to make sure that you never have flowers that go to seeds. Right now it's already too late because I was busy and I couldn't do it last week, but ideally you would cut all the young stalks before the flower bud is open. This way you can use this stalk and the flower bud anyway you would generally use chive, and because it doesn't go to the seed, you will have a supply of new leaves and new buds month after the month. If you keep those flowers, which are quite beautiful, the plant will go to seed and stop produce those young beautiful chives leaves.